Now we're going to copy an angle. We're going to do this very much like we did with the traditional tools of the straight edge and compass. So what we'll do is we will first of all create a ray. Hold this down, select the ray tool, and we'll come down here and we'll make us a ray here. Then what we'll do is we'll grab the circle tool. This would be like our compass. We'll put the point of it here, and we'll bring it out. Well, it doesn't matter, anywhere here. And what we'll do is we'll to ensure that we get the same size circle. In other words, maintain that same measurement. We're going to put here a segment showing the radius of that circle. And now what we're going to do is we're going to come down here to this particular ray. We're going to click on the end point. That's going to be the center of our circle. And we're going to click on this segment up here. It's going to become the radius of our circle, and we will construct a circle by center and radius. Okay, that will ensure that as we change this, that one changes the same amount. Okay, next what we're going to do is we're going to put a point on the intersection of the circle and the other ray. And what we will do is we'll stick another segment here to measure that distance. Okay. And then what we will do is we'll put another point here on this intersection. And what we'll do, we'll use this as the center of our circle, our next circle. And we're going to use this segment as its radius. And we will construct a circle that has the same radius as this length. You'll notice that the circle there and this circle here are exactly the same size because they have the same radii. Now what I'm going to do is find the place where these two circles intersect, place a point there, and now all I have to do is construct a ray on this endpoint through that given circle, and that guarantees that the two angles are the same size. In other words, we have copied our. In order to show or to verify that, let's just take and mark these angles using this marker tool, and we'll mark both of these angles. Then we will select those marked angles and tell it to measure them. We've got two things highlighted. All we want is the two angles. There we go. Now we'll measure. We'll measure those angles. You'll notice that they are this one, very same length. And that is how you